morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing great and excited for today's session. Today, we are moving into the most practical and important stage of marketing research, which is data preparation and cleaning. Now, I know that the title may sound a little technical, but trust me, once you understand this part, you will realize that without it, your data collection efforts can go waste. Let's think of this way. Imagine that you just gather hundreds of survey responses for your research project. You are so happy because you are finally having your data. But if you look a little closer, the answers are incomplete, either they are having wrong information. What will you do then? That's exactly where the data preparation and cleaning comes in. So, what is the data preparation and cleaning? In simple words, data preparation means getting your collected data ready for the analysis. It's like cleaning, organizing, and arranging your clothes before putting them into the wardrobe. If you skip this step, your wardrobe, or in any other case, your data will be messy and useless. Data preparation ensures that the data set is accurate, consistent, and complete. It involves checking for errors, missing values, and wrong entries, then correcting them for your final results and reliable data. And the data cleaning is one of the biggest process in removing the bugs, inconsistencies in your data. So, before you can analyze anything, you must make sure that the data is correct. Otherwise, drawing the false conclusion, which may be dangerous for your decisions. For example, if the company makes the decision based on incorrect data, that might target wrong audience or misinterpret the consumer satisfaction. That's how the data preparation is important. Let's understand its importance through an example. Imagine you are analyzing the survey data from 300 customers about their coffee preferences. Now, suppose 50 people accidentally selected tea instead of coffee and 15 skipped the question. And if you analyze such data as it is, your results will show wrong insights. But when you prepare and clean your data by correcting the mistakes, dealing with missing answers, and making it consistent, that will be meaningful research. So, the data preparation ensures three kind of things. First of all, accuracy, that represents the respondents. Secondly, reliability, and third is validity. Now we will going to discuss the steps in data preparation. Now let's move step by step through the main stages of data preparation. There are several, but we will discuss them in a simple order that is easy to remember and apply. First of all, data validation, data editing and coding, and then data entry, dealing with the missing values and so on. First of all, let's take a start with data validation. Data validations means checking whether the data corrected is genuine, complete, and consistent. It's kind of quality check to make sure that everything was done properly during the data collection. Let's say you hired a team to collect the surveys from 200 respondents. You need to confirm, did they really collect 200 responses or not? Were those people part of your target audience or not? Did any interviewer make these responses up? So the validation ensures that the information is real and even trustworthy. There are four main checks in data validation. Number one, completeness. We check if all the responses are completed or not. Second comes consistency. We are going to check, are the answers logical? If someone says that they are 18 years old but also says they have 15 years of experience, that's kind of inconsistent. Third, we check the range check. For instance, if your income question allows the value between $100 and $10,000 and someone writes $100,000, it's invalid. Then lastly, we check the legitimacy. For example, if your research is on female shoppers and few male shoppers respond accidentally filled in our survey, then the responses needed to be filtered out. All of these steps ensure that the data set is valid and interpret good ingredients necessary for data cleaning. Then comes data editing. Editing means reviewing the data to identify and correct the errors or omissions. Think of it like proofreading a document before submission. You are not changing the meaning, just correcting the mistakes. There are two levels of editing, field editing and central editing. What is field editing? This happens right after the data collection, usually done by the interviewer. For example, the interviewer checks whether all the answers are readable and complete before leaving the field. It's quick and ensures that the mistakes can be fixed while the respondent's memory is still fresh. Second is central editing. This happens later in the office by the research team. Here, the team checks that all the completed questionnaires are in logic, accuracy, and in complete order. For instance, if someone marks strongly agree for both I love Pepsi and I hate Pepsi, the editor might double check the intent. So, the editing is important because even the small data error can create big differences in final analysis. Imagine you are analyzing customer satisfaction data for clothing store. During editing, you notice one customer value 10 in a rating question that asks for the scores between 1 to 5. Maybe it's because of typo error. You may contact the interviewer or treat it as an invalid response. That is editing, checking carefully before you move forward. Now, I will discuss how the validation and editing work together. You can think of validation and editing as two close friends. Validation checks if the data was collected properly, while the editing checks if it was recorded properly. Together, they can make your dataset strong and ready for further steps in the analysis. So, in today's first part of our lecture, we learned that the data preparation and cleaning are essential steps to ensure the quality of research. We discussed the meaning and importance of data preparation, then went through the data validation and data editing, the first two critical steps. In the next step, we will talk about coding, data entry, and how to deal with the missing values, topic that makes your data truly ready for the analysis. Take a short break and let's continue part 2 when you are ready. Till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.